Have you ever watched a coworker fly through Excel and wondered what keys they are using? If you are tired of switching between keyboard and mouse all the time, this video is for you. Here we have our sales report. Right now, this sheet is just raw numbers. Let's turn it into metrics we can actually work with, starting by adding our calculation columns. Use the arrow keys to navigate to the category column. That's where the new columns will go. Ctrl plus space to select the current column. Shift plus right arrow 3 times to include 3 more columns. Ctrl Shift and plus to insert all 4 columns at once. With those columns ready, let's calculate total sales. Up to the header, tap total sales and enter. Quantity multiplied by unit price. Use arrow keys to select each cell in the formula. Hit enter, and that's our first calculation in place. Now here's the trick that saves the most time: filling formulas without dragging. If we do Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow, Excel grabs the unwanted blank cells below the data. The workaround is to anchor off a field columns next to it. Arrow left to the field column, Ctrl plus down arrow to jump to the last row with data, right arrow back into the total sales column, press Ctrl Shift up arrow to select all the way to the top, then Ctrl plus D to fill the formula down. Once you master the pattern, the rest is effortless. Total cost, quantity multiplied by unit cost, same selection logic, and Ctrl plus D to fill. Profit is then just total sales minus total cost, fill down the same way. For grand totals, down arrow to the first empty row, left arrow to the total sales column, press Alt and equals to auto sum. Instead of enter, which goes to the cell below, we press tab key to complete the entry and move right. Use Ctrl plus R to copy the formula across for total cost and profit. Before we move on, let's make sure totals are impossible to miss. Ctrl plus Shift plus left arrow to select the totals. Press Alt, H for the Home tab, B for outline, then U for top and double bottom borders. Instant visual cue. Moving on to profit margin, profit divided by total sales. To navigate to the total sales grand total, left arrow to the profit column, Ctrl and down arrow to jump to the total profit, then left arrow twice to land on total sales. As we fill this down, every row needs to divide it by the same grand total, so press F4 to lock it. No menu $signs needed. Hit enter, then apply percentage format. Ctrl plus 1 to open format cells dialog. Use tab key to move between fields. We are in category now. Down arrow till we reach percentage. Tab key again to go to the decimal places field. Set 3 decimals. Then press enter. Fill down with Ctrl plus D. And finally, a splash of color. Ctrl plus space to select the entire column. Shift plus left arrow 3 times to include all calculation columns. Alt, Home, FC to open font color menu. Then use arrow keys to choose a color. That's the core Excel work. Formulas, totals, and percentages. Done entirely from the keyboard. No dragging, no clicking, no breaking focus. Next video, we will finish this off with formatting and reporting polish, again without touching the mouse. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you in the next one.